Hey everyone, welcome back to new content of Cybrosys. In today's video, we will discuss about the automatic transfers in Odoo 17 accounting module. Automatic transfers in Odoo 17 accounting module are a powerful tool that can streamline your financial process and reduce manual data entry. They allow you to automatically move funds between the bank account based on specific conditions or schedules. And these transfers are triggered at predefined intervals such as daily, weekly, or monthly. And you can set up recurring transfers for paying bills or moving funds between savings account and checking account. So let's see how can we manage the automatic transfers in Odoo 17 accounting module. To manage with the automatic transfers, let's move on to the accounting module. Then there we can just head into the accounting tab and choose automatic transfers under the management. So here you can see that I have already configured an automatic transfer with the name as monthly rent. So we can also set period from when the automated transfer has to start and at what period it has to end. And this will be marked under the journal of miscellaneous operation. We can also just choose an interval at which the automatic transfer should happen. So there are different frequencies by which we can set to happen these automatic transfers, such as monthly, quarterly, and yearly. For the time being, I'll be using monthly because I just want to make a transfer of monthly rent. Under the origin account and automated transfers, here we can choose the accounts for which the funds are transferring. So the purpose of the origin account and the automated accounts in Odoo automatic transfer is to define the source and destination of the fund for the automated transfers. So the origin account defines as the bank account from which the fund will be transferred, and it should be configured within the Odoo to get the correct account number, bank name, and other relevant details. And under the automated transfer account, this is the bank account to which the fund will be transferred, and it should be also configured with the Odoo in the correct account number, bank name, and other relevant details. So once you just configure all the details, the origin account and automated transfer account, you can set up automatic transfer rule in Odoo. And this rule will specifically or specify the condition under which the transfer should be made, such as its transfer amount, frequency, start date, and everything. So when the condition of the rules are met, Odoo will automatically initiate the transfer from the origin account to the automated transfer account. So here you can see that we have just set a percentage of amount that just need to transfer into the destination account. So here I'm going to click on activate. Currently you can see that this automatic transfer is disabled. By clicking on activate here, you can see that this has moved into the running state. I just need to start the period from 1st of August. So here you can see we have set likewise, and if you want to just set the ending period over here, you can set that. For the time being, I'm not setting an end period over here. Now you can just click on compute transfer. So upon clicking compute transfer, here you can see that one transfer is generated. And if you want to find that transfer, here you can see that transfer of the month, and that's generated for the month of August with the amount is shown over here. That is 125 is just taken and moved into the rent. So in case of bank, here bank is a type of asset account. So in case of bank, the money is just moving out of the bank, so that it's just shown on the credit side. And here you can see that the rent account is a form of expense account, so that the amount is marked under the debit side. Now if you want to pause this, we can easily pause these amounts by clicking on the paused, and here you would be able to find that currently this entry is paused. And as you just move on to the configuration and go to the charts of accounts, here you can see that when you just search for the rent account, you can see the amount under this expense account. Okay, so if you want to view this charts of accounts, you can just click on view button, and this shows the balance that is currently available in our account. And if you want to find the balance in the bank account, you can basically search for that, which means bank, and here you can see, you can just click on view button in order to find the balance. So this is the available balance right now over here. And if you want to find anything from here, like what all transfers that are taken place over here. You can also easily find that. So currently you can see that we have just taken 125 from the bank to the destination location of the rent account. So this is how we just manage with the automatic transfers in Odoo 17 accounting module. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.